Hello everyone, Patrick here. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over one of the newest features of Confluence. And I'm on their homepage and it even says it's coming soon. Well, it's here. So what is this? It's Confluence Whiteboards. And here they say, make ideas actually happen. Scroll down a little bit and we can see it's saying turn ideas into actions. We have these little stickies you could put together. Freedom of expression, collaborate quickly together. We're going to be able to have one source of truth, access for all, and I guess cost savings. Here's some of the templates that we'll take a look at: brainstorming, retrospect, prioritization matrix, team formation guide, concept map. And here are some of the FAQs if you'd like to go in and take a look. Well, the cool part is if you sign up today for your free instance of Confluence, you'll be able to use Whiteboards. And this is as of basically February 2024. All right, enough of this talk. Let's go into Confluence and check this out. Here I am going into my instance of Confluence, and I'm going to go in and click Create. And here it is, a whiteboard in beta. Let's take a look here. We have these template options, but I'm going to give this a name. I'm going to give this software whiteboard. And it just created a new whiteboard for us without a template. And that's exactly what I wanted. So let's take a look here. We want to first add a couple of these. We can drop and drag some of these sticky notes. And let's say we're in a meeting and someone says, yeah, I really want to have a drop down for people records. That's cool. I can take a note of that. What else do other people want on this software instance that we're going to be building for them? Well, they really want to be able to track vehicles. Okay, so people records and vehicles. I don't know if they go together. But we're going to keep on putting these cards on here and see how we can rearrange these and brainstorm real quickly and put together how we can build out this software. Maybe it'll help us decide what type of databases we need to build or find. Maybe the organization already has a vehicle database. Maybe they already have people records. How are we going to use that and combine it into our software? I don't know. But that's what we're going to use this for. Maybe we would need to add a title here saying vehicle software. Nice. Just add that, move it wherever we like. We can put some shapes in here. I like that circle, a couple circles. You know what? Let's put in a diamond. I want to put the diamond in between here. Say we want to use this to connect them here. We can do that also with this arrow. And this is a decision. Straight line, a squiggly line. Also, this is where you can put into the page a section. So we want to move these into this section. We can name that section. Here again, we can import from Jira. This is pretty cool, where you can go in and search a project. Right now, I don't have any hooked up, but you can add a Jira project in here. Oh, look at all these emojis. This guy's funny. We'll stick him on here. Blah! Oh, that's great. That's awesome. Then we can paste the link. Say we want to do brainstorming. We want to display this. And you can change this around how you want it to look. We have a couple of other tools that we can use. We can put in some images, add some stickers. This is neat. You can add a timer to the board. So let's say we want to get all the best ideas in 5 minutes. Let's start 4:58, 7, 6. You could change the time on the timer, but I think that's a really cool feature. And then we have these templates. Remember, we have the simple, respective, prioritization, brain writing, incident, network teams, elevator. Let's go put in the elevator pitch and see what that looks like. Oh, wow, this is pretty small. So you'd have to get this a little bit bigger and build out your elevator pitch. I think I would probably start from scratch on this one, but maybe if you can make it bigger, you could get some ideas of how to build out an elevator pitch. They say the elevator pitch takes 60 minutes and works with 3 to 11 people. Okay. That's just one of the templates, and there's many others, but I'm not going to go through them all. When you have time, get into the application and start looking at this. This is really cool, being able to use the whiteboard. I can really see it helpful when I'm working with new customers and we want to ratify, when we want to look at different ideas and get something from people's minds to paper within 5 minutes. We can really get a lot of information through these sticky notes and do this rather quickly in Confluence on the whiteboard, and it will help us achieve our goals. Okay, great. Hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a little bit more about the new feature in Confluence Whiteboard.